For today's video, what am I doing? What are we doing in today's video? I already forgot. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Hope. I'm a full-time nurse and a part-time reseller. I save lives, I save clothes, I save all the things. Thumbs up for that. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I've been trying to think of a way to do what sold videos that don't take as much editing, that won't be super long. So I thought I'd break it down into prices. So today's video I am going to be sharing with you 5 items that I've sold on Poshmark for $100 or more. So yeah, if you like these types of videos, I'll continue to do them. The next one will be 75 or more, and then the next one will be 50 or more. And then I can do categories as well, like, well, I'm not going to get into all that now. But I've got lots of ideas. So, yeah, without further ado, let's cue the intro and jump into what I've sold on Poshmark for over $100. Okay, so the first thing, I'll put the picture up on the screen, is this Akubra hat. I got this when I was thrifting with Tata, Lori's Boston Found, in Boston a few months back. I did not know that the hat was this good until I got it home and looked up the brand. I got it based on style. It was wool, it looked brand new, had a little feather, it was like, had that Western cowgirl vibe. And yeah, it's an Australian based company, and the hat retailed for $298. I listed it for $100 and someone came and bought it outright. So, cha-ching. Akubra is spelled A-K-U-B-R-A, and it is definitely a BOLO, so keep your eye out for Akubra hats. Yes, very, very pleased with the sale, and she left me a 5-star review and said she loved the hat. So, yeah. Next, I actually got on the exact same day that I found that hat while thrifting in Boston with Lori Tata. See, these trips that I take to go see my friend are always worth it. 1, because I get to see her, and 2, the items that I find sell for much more than things I can find here. So the next thing was this Filson bag. This sold so fast. It is original. The bag is called, I can't remember what it's called. Filson Carry-All XL Tote, canvas tote, and it had leather straps. It was a bag that retailed for over, there's gnats, sorry. It's a long story. The bag retails for over $500. I listed it for, I think, $225 or $250, something like that. There was none like it listed on Posh at the time, and I got a lot of attention right away. I mean, it only had 9 likes altogether, but I got 3 offers. 100, 125, and like $50. I don't know. I declined, and then I countered the $125 offer, and then they didn't respond, and then I got a message saying, if you lower the price, let me know. And I was like, yeah, but I just listed this yesterday, so I'm definitely not going to be doing that anytime soon. And then someone added it to a bundle and sent me an offer for $180, and I'm pretty sure I had it listed for $225. So I thought that was super fair. I wanted to at least get $175, so $180 I was thrilled with. So yes, Filson. All day long, baby, all day long. So that sold for $180. And literally in a day. Next is this Prana jacket. It was new with tag. Retail at $189. I also found this in Boston, my very first trip. And this sold a while ago. I'm just going through my Poshmark numbers, like over this, and just lumping it into a video of numbers. But it was a Prana down-filled jacket, new with tag, retailed for $189. It sold for $100 even, a women's jacket. And yeah, I got that also in Boston. So Prana, outdoor wear, outdoor gear, down-filled anything. Yes, yes, yes. Next are these Lust for Life boots. I got these sold a while back. I seen them at the Goodwill here in my town. Wow, finally something from my town. I seen them from across the room. I was like, what are those? I ran to them. They were in one of my hauls way back when I first started my channel. I ran across there, picked them up, and I almost dropped them because they were so heavy, and I was like, oh, these have to be like some amazing brand. And I look in and it just says Lust for Life, and I'm like, oh, it's some cheapy knockoff brand. Wrong. I looked it up. These boots retailed for $300. So just because you haven't heard from a brand or it doesn't sound, you know, fancy, does not mean it's not good. I listed them for $150, received an offer of $100. I took it. And yeah, these studded red, I used all the key terms, studded red leather moto boots, you know, platform, chunky, gothic, punk, all those keywords. Yeah, $100. I got a 5-star review. She loved them. There are so many gnats flying around me. I'm going to kill my kid. I mean, I'm not really going to kill him, but he lives down here. I said this in my last video. And I found like 15 cereal bowls. 15 cereal bowls with milk and gnats. And now they're in my room and I am not happy. All right, last sale. So this isn't over $100, but it was $99, so close enough. It surprisingly is Free People. I got this retail arbitrage. I did pay $20 for it, so all things considered, it was just this green cargo Adirondack, I cannot say that word, Anorak jacket, hooded, long, had like a blue trim, really cute jacket, it was brand new with tags, sold for $99, but I did pay $20. But yeah, that is one of the few times that retail arbitrage on Free People has worked out for me. It hasn't always, it's not always like that. But yeah, those are the 5 single items that I've sold for $100 or more on Posh. I've had many bundle sales for over $100, but I wanted to just highlight individual items that sold for over $100. That way you could keep your eye out for, you know, these brands if you don't sell them or haven't heard of them, or yeah, just trying to give you some useful information for once. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up down in the comments, or leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up, share the video, whatever you feel like doing. I appreciate it. I love you all so much. Yeah, and I'll continue to do them because this is way easier for me, just like hand picking based by numbers, than doing what solds and all that editing, because I'm busy, guys. I'm busy. Aren't we all? We're all busy, but my brain, it just can't handle all that editing. Okay, so that is all. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Spoiler alert, it's going to be a bins haul. Probably a multi-parter. So, bye!